A tool's value lies in its ability to ease demanding tasks. Among power tools, the impact wrench stands out for removing stubborn lug nuts and rusted bolts. It's a game-changer for both DIY enthusiasts and pro mechanics, making the difference between a productive day and a struggle with obstinate hardware. 1. Avid Power Cordless Impact Wrench. The Avid Power Cordless Impact Wrench is powered by a 3.0A lithium-ion battery that reaches a maximum of 2,000 RPM and up to 330 pound-feet of torque for tightening and 770 pound-feet of loosening torque. This wrench has a special friction design where it holds sockets onto the anvil better than a standard bearing ball. By removing rusted on or excessively tightened nuts and bolts, this 1/2 impact wrench, which has a high-end, strong motor, offers maximum productivity. 2. Porter Cable 20 volts max. If you're looking to reach good torque numbers at a lower cost, the Porter Cable 20 volts max is a great option. Out of the mid-torque impact wrenches we tested, this one seemed to strike the best balance between power and affordability. The loosening torque is adequate for just about every job on a car. However, the head is a bit long, which makes it tricky in small spaces. But if you need a solid impact wrench for the garage that won't break the bank, this is the best choice. 3. Chemo Cordless Impact Wrench. Power through your projects with the Chemo Cordless Impact Wrench. This wrench is the ultimate sidekick for any heavy-duty application. Equipped with a high-torque impact driver, it delivers a whopping 3,000 lbs of torque, making it your go-to tool for tightening and loosening even the most stubborn of bolts and nuts. With 7 impact sockets included, ranging in size from 10 mm to 21 mm, this tool promises to help you out with all manner of heavy-duty housework. And with an enhanced lithium-ion battery that offers 25% more power than normal, you won't need to make any unnecessary stops in your work plans to recharge this tool. 4. DeWalt Cordless Impact Wrench Kit. Unleash the sheer power of the DeWalt 20 volts Max XR Impact Wrench Kit. This cordless impact wrench delivers a gargantuan 700 foot-pounds of torque and 1,200 lbs of breakaway torque. If you need the absolute strongest wrench you can buy, this is the solution for you. In addition to its immense power, this cordless impact wrench also comes with a host of other handy features. The multi-speed control lets you choose the speed just right for any task. An integrated LED light ensures increased visibility so you'll never miss a mark. The whole package comes complete with a trusty tool bag to carry the wrench to work. 5. Milwaukee Cordless Impact Wrench. If you've got a wide variety of sockets, but need a new cordless impact wrench to use them with, then the Milwaukee 18 volts mid-torque impact wrench is your new best friend. This handy device features a friction ring on its tip, ensuring you can easily attach any size of socket. In addition to the ease of use and versatility a friction ring provides, this cordless impact wrench comes with plenty of power and extra features to make your DIY project run as smoothly as possible. The auto shut-off feature helps for tightening applications. It'll detect the proper number of rotations needed to secure a bolt and then automatically turn off to prevent over-tightening. Additionally, a ring of LEDs surrounds the wrench's anvil, ready to light up any workspace to ensure precision. 6. WorkPro 20 volts Cordless Impact Wrench. If you've got some serious work to do but don't want to break the bank, you can't go wrong with the WorkPro 20 volts Cordless Impact Wrench. This wrench offers ample power for all of your DIY project needs, all at a competitive, budget-friendly price. This trusty cordless impact wrench comes with a 2.0 lithium-ion battery, which provides long-lasting power and charges quickly so you can maximize your working efficiency. Plus, it also includes a handy belt clip for easy carrying. No need to lug around a heavy toolbox with this convenient wrench. With 320 lbs of maximum torque. Plus, the infinitely variable speed gives you precise control over the wrench's rotation.